Hey there, you would have heard about AI-based websites for WordPress. AI is used to simplify your web creation process. You can create any kind of websites using AI quickly and easily. The evolution of website building has undergone a remarkable transformation, shifting from a traditional method to a revolutionary era of AI-based website development. Many years ago, building a website requires complex coding skills and a deep understanding of web development languages. However, with the advent of AI, the landscape has dramatically changed. AI-based website builders like Elementor, armed with machine learning algorithms and intuitive design capabilities, have streamlined the process, making it accessible to individuals without extensive technical backgrounds. This not only accelerates the web creation process, but also empowers users with intelligent tools for content generation, optimization, and design suggestions. As we embrace the era of AI in website building, it signifies a groundbreaking chapter in the history of web development, where innovation and efficiency converge the way we bring our online visions to life. Hello guys, welcome to Digital YouTube channel. I'm Nandakishore. In this channel, I make videos on digital marketing, web design, and tech tutorials. For more informative videos, please subscribe to Digital YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to all so that you don't miss out on any of my latest video updates. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of building a website using Elementor hosting and Elementor AI. Alright, let's get started. So before we start, I would like to discuss some of the benefits of using Elementor hosting. You can easily design and launch your websites with no prior experience in web design or development. Everything you need to launch and grow your website is included, streamlining your online presence effortlessly. Elementor hosting stands out with its commitment to transparent pricing and no hidden fees, encompassing huge value at a small price. Understanding the critical importance of speed for online success. Elementor hosting ensures your website operates at peak performance. From setup to launch, Elementor expert team is available to assist you, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience. Getting started with Elementor hosting. First thing first, to create a website, we need to get a hosting package, and we are going to use Elementor hosting. And go to this link, digitalanke.com/go/cloud. That's my affiliate link, and you'll come to this page. Guys, you are going to spend on hosting anyway, but wait. If you purchase Elementor hosting, it also comes along with Elementor Pro Page Builder plugin, which is alone worth $99 per year. If you're just starting your first website, then I suggest you to go with this basic plan. And additionally, you have business, grow, and scale plans. Depending on your need, you can go with any of these plans. So go ahead and click on Buy Now. Okay, for your convenience, I have provided my affiliate link in the description box below. Click on the link to get started, or you can go to this link which I displayed on the screen right now. Sign up and create an account with Elementor. Once you have chosen the desired plan, it's going to ask you to create an account with Elementor. So I'm going to quickly sign up with my email account. Enter your email, create a new password, and click on Create My Account. And you'll be automatically logged in to your Elementor account. Next, you have to enter your billing address, first name, your last name, and your email will be automatically filled since you are logged in, and it's recommended as it helps you to receive important updates and invoices from Elementor. Choose your country and ultimately the address. Once you are done with that, click on Continue. Finally, you have to choose a payment method to complete the purchase. You have a couple of options to choose from. You can either go with credit card or PayPal option. I'm going to go with the PayPal option. So I'll quickly finish the payment and then I'll see you on the other side. Navigating the Elementor dashboard. To gain access to Elementor dashboard, follow this link my.elementor.com. Now that you have access to the Elementor dashboard, you'll notice here several tabs, some hosted by third party and others by Elementor. Let's proceed on creating a new website hosted by Elementor. Begin by clicking on Create a hosted website here. You're gonna see this. We are unboxing Elementor and plugging a few things in. And it says, ta-da, your site is ready. Now what I want you to do is click this to go back and click on Open WP Dashboard. So now we are here in the WordPress dashboard. Go to templates and click on kit library. Here you have bunch of template options to choose from. Next, you will need to choose a template kit based on the type of website you want to create. Options include blog, online store, portfolio, or a simple website. Explore the variety of template options available to kickstart your website design. If you are uncertain about the best choice, click here to preview the template kit. Once you are satisfied with the template, click Apply Kit. This action will install the template on your new WordPress website, which may take a few minutes. Upon completion, you will receive a notification that your site is ready. Your kit is now live on your site, complete with the designated pages, content and settings. Now if you come to the Elementor dashboard, you will notice here we have a website hosted by Elementor. Customize the template kit. Alright, now to edit the content on this template kit, if you notice here we have edit with Elementor option. Click on that and that's going to open the home page. Now you are seeing the live page editor. Let's start with the logo. I want you to click on this and click this logo again, and our content, change site logo. So usually what we do is to change the site logo, we just come here, click on change site logo and upload the logo. But I want to show you an interesting feature now. Can you see this? Create with AI. Just click on this and you need to accept this for the first time. I approve and get started. And I'll show you now how you can create a logo using AI. And now here you need to give instructions as to what kind of logo you would like to generate using AI. Alright, web design logo. Choose the image type. I'll choose photographic and then style, portrait, aspect ratio, landscape 3:2. Hit generate images. And it has generated 4 images. You can see, you can click here to use image. Now what happens is the logo image you have generated using AI has been gone to the media library. Now click on change site logo and change image. As you can see, the AI image is stored in the media library. Click and insert it and click save changes. So let me refresh the page. So there we go, the AI logo for you guys. Similarly, if you want to change this heading, click on it and edit with AI. Let's create new prompt, create a title for web design and hit generate text. If you like, you can use this text and it will be added. You can also get more ideas for a call to action button. Edit with AI and a new prompt and create a call to action button and use the one you like. And you can improve this description. I'll copy the same and edit with the AI and new prompt and paste it here and hit generate text. If you're happy with the results, then you can go with this. You can also make it longer or shorter. Happy with the results? Click use text. Let's say for services, if you want to create images, you can do so. Repeat the same steps, generate with prompt and create images for web design services and hit generate. So that way you can generate content with AI. You can make it more effective based on the type of website you are making or the business model. It's simple, alright. Similarly, you can change everything on this page. Looks good? Then give a like to this video. By the way guys, this video is sponsored by Elementor and thanks to Elementor for sponsoring this video. Guys, if you still haven't purchased Elementor hosting, then please visit my affiliate link that's displayed on the screen right now. Also, for your convenience, I have provided the link in the description, so please check them out. Click on it and get started. Once you are done with the changes, click on publish here. Basics of Elementor. Let's understand the basics of Elementor. The side panel allows you to access and add the widget just like this, drag and drop. You can go to site settings and do the customization here. Click here to reveal the page structure and navigate to the preferred section. Here you can change the page settings. And for responsive editing, you can toggle the preferred device. Here we have search, help, preview and publish options. Containers versus grid. Elementor FlexBox containers provide you with much greater creative freedom and control over your web design process. They also allow you to work more efficiently. A container holds or contains the other elements of your page, including Elementor widgets and other containers. When you place containers inside other containers, they are called nested or child containers. Now there are a couple of things you need to understand, and it helps you to build any kind of sections easily. First, let's go to WordPress dashboard and hover on Elementor and click on settings, then click features. Now you can see here the grid container option. Activate it and save changes. For instance, if we go here and click this plus and plus again to add a new container, what layout would you like to use? We have a couple of options to choose from: Flexbox and grid container. Grid containers are created with a symmetrical layout of rows and columns, while Flexbox containers are created with asymmetrical layouts. With Flexbox containers, you can add multiple widgets, choose the width, change the direction, align the content, set the elements gap, whereas a grid container allows you to add one widget in a grid and you can add more widgets to another grid. This is more suitable when you're adding products or services. You can display each services in each grid. That's about Flexbox containers and grid containers. Editing the menu using new mega menu. Now let's set up the menu using the mega menu. So head over to the WordPress dashboard and go here and click on visit site. Once you are in the home page, go here and hover on edit with Elementor and click on the header. Now we are going to create a mega menu. So before we do that, let's get rid of these and add a container with the two columns. Now I'm going to add the site logo, drag and drop. It's too big. Let's go to style and make it somewhere about 20%. Yeah, that should be fine. Make this left align. And now we need a menu here. So go here and add an element. And you see this, drag and drop here under layout. You need to add the menu item manually. Title, I'll say home. Under link, I'll just type home. And there we go. Select the home page. I'm going to quickly add more and come back. Alright, I have added all the menu items. Now it's time to create the drop down feature of mega menu. Guys, if you want to create mega menu for specific menu item, let's say services, then click and toggle this drop down option. Now click this drop down arrow here and it opens up this. Now you can drag and drop the widgets here. For instance, click this plus and choose a structure. I'll go with this and I'll drag and drop the image widget and change an image. Now on to the right side, I'll go and add a heading, and with the help of AI, I'm gonna generate a title. Now I'll add a grid to this and add a title and adjust the title size, and now I'll copy and paste the same to another grid as well and change the text. Guys, once you are done with this, click publish now. And I'll show you how that looks. Go to the home page, and if you hover on the services, there we go, we have the mega menu. Cool, right? I suggest you try experimenting with this amazing feature from Elementor and create an excellent mega menu. Elementor AI for generating blog posts. Guys, we have covered the essential steps in creating your first website. Now step into the feature with Elementor AI, where you can effortlessly generate blog content for your website. Are you guys excited? Let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this amazing feature from Elementor? Now let's go to the dashboard and add new post. Now you need to give a blog title. I'll give 10 blogging best practices for 2024 and click publish. Now click edit with Elementor here. Now I'm gonna add a container and add a post title widget, and I'll bring in this text editor. Now we are going to generate content for our new blog post. So I'll say write a blog post outline for 10 blogging best practices for 2024 and hit generate text. I'm going to use this text, and if you want to increase the text, then you can do that as well. So that's how you can leverage the power of Elementor AI to generate content for your website. Elementor hosting features, managed WordPress hosting. Elementor now comes with extra features when paired with managed WordPress hosting. Backups. One of Elementor's valuable features is its automated backup system, which saves your website every 24 hours and retains the data for up to 14 days. This functionality allows you to export your website files and database, perform restore, and even you can generate manual backup options. Staging. Exploring advanced options tailored for business scalability and growth unlocks a staging feature. This testing environment enables you to experiment with website design modifications, plugins, and themes before implementing on your live website. Notably, this feature ensures seamless testing without disrupting the site. Custom domains. Now let's dive into the intriguing segment of this video. You might be thinking, we have got the Elementor hosting, set up the WordPress and the template kit, and customize the website too. However, we are not happy with the default domain -- at elementor.cloud. Is there a way to change it to yourdomain.com? Absolutely. Now navigate to the domain management section. If you already own a domain from another provider, click this plus button to link it. If not, no worries. You can purchase one from Hover. Next, click on connect your domain. Enter your domain name. Click let's begin and follow the provided instructions. Log into your domain provider and copy the provided DNS records to your DNS settings. After completing this step, allow some time for the DNS propagation. You will receive an email from Elementor once the process is complete and your site is live. That's how you can connect your custom domain to Elementor. Elementor hosting provides a comprehensive answer to the obstacle faced in creating a dependable WordPress website. It emerges as the optimal selection whether you are creating an e-commerce store or establishing a professional business website or presenting your portfolio hassle-free. This hosting services streamlines the process of launching your site swiftly without compromising on the excellent speed, user-friendliness, and top-notch quality into one unified package. With Elementor hosting, you can expect the best solution to bolster your online visibility. Don't hesitate any longer. Commence your web development journey today with Elementor hosting. That's it, guys. Hope you found this video interesting and useful. Please like and share your opinion in the comment section below, and also share it with your friends who are into web design. Definitely it would help them. Thank you, guys. See you in my next interesting video. Take care.